Let's see how much you can score. Today you have 20 questions to test your English and grammar skills. You will get 5 seconds for each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. Hardly had the meeting begun when the lights went out. No sooner had she entered the room than everyone stood up. He speaks as though he knew everything. Each of the students is required to submit an assignment. Neither the manager nor the employees were aware of the decision. The committee is unable to reach a unanimous decision. By the time we reach the station, the train will have left. He denied stealing the confidential documents. She insisted on paying the bill herself. The teacher made the students read silently. Rarely do we see such dedication in a young employee. The book, along with its illustrations, is fascinating. He would rather you had informed him earlier. She behaves as if she were the owner of the company. Little did they know that the decision would change everything. Not only was he late, but he also forgot the documents. The more you practice, the more confident you become. It's high time we took action. He is the only one of the players who has been selected. Scarcely had the announcement been made when chaos erupted. You have completed the challenge. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Subscribe for daily English quizzes and brain challenges. Thanks for playing.